Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to export photos in RawTherapee on your Windows PC or laptop. After editing your images, exporting them correctly allows you to save your work in formats like JPEG, PNG, or TIFF for sharing, printing, or further editing. Let's get started. First, open RawTherapee and load the photo you want to export. If you haven't finished editing yet, make your adjustments to exposure, white balance, colors, sharpening, or any other settings. Since RawTherapee uses non-destructive editing, your original image will remain unchanged throughout the process. Once you're happy with your edits, look for the *** processing Q** option. Click Add to Q** to place your edited photo in the export queue. Then, switch to the **Q** tab, where you'll find the export settings. Choose the output format you want, such as JPEG for everyday use, *PNG for high-quality images with lossless compression, or TIFF if you need the best quality for professional editing or printing. Next, select the destination folder where you'd like the exported image to be saved. You can also adjust the JPEG quality or other export options depending on your needs. Higher quality settings produce better-looking images but also create larger file sizes. After everything is set, click the ** Start Processing * button. RawTherapee will process your edits and export the finished photo to the selected folder. The processing time depends on your computer's performance and the size of the image. When the export is complete, open the destination folder to view your finished photo and make sure everything looks the way you expected. And that's it. You now know how to export photos in RawTherapee quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy photo editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.